Well, Separat in Bosnia and Herzegovina fulfills an important role because it is, like the name says, is overcoming boundaries and is bringing people together from all walks of life, from all backgrounds, from all nationalities, from all languages, from all religions. The idea then is to bring this spirit of working together to achieve a common goal into the daily lives of the children in their own schools.
Superar zapravo znači jednaka prilika za svako dijete. Superar je radost, superar je nešto što je dostupno svima i u čemu svi na isti način zajedno uživaju. Superar je, kao što je dirigent kolega iz Beograda rekao, vanvremenska priča koja budi emocije na način da i nas same iznenadi. Superar je iskrenost, radost, posvećenost i fokus za dječju dobrobit.
Well, we know not only from our own experience as musicians, we always believe that music is important, or the most important, of course. But nowadays we have a lot of research from social science and especially research with neuroscience. And all that suggests that children have to or should be involved in music because it supports their personal development and even their physical brain development enormously.
Kod nas može svako da pjeva. Naš moto je svako je talentiran i svako može da pjeva. Tako, pridružite se Superaru i dođite.